Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joshua and today we have a Stray Kids come back. I feel like I have been waiting for this forever and a day, and now we have it, and I am super excited. They've been coming at us with teasers and, you know, little videos for their tracks on the album. This is off their latest, No Easy. I'm super excited because Stray Kids are honestly amazing at what they do, and they come with a sound that's like, it blows my mind. It honestly blows my mind at their creativity and the fact that they put so much work into their work, and their craft is just awesome, and I love to see just what they do, how they do it. I feel that they have a great ear for music, and they just put all their talent into it, and you can always feel it. You can feel the energy. They either give you something super hype in your face, or they give you something so calming and beautiful, and it's just like, how? It's night and day, but I just love it. I don't know what they're going to give us this time. I don't know what type of genre they're going to give us or what flow or anything. I am just here for it anyways. Their concept photos were amazing. As always, they just look stunning. It was a serve, and I appreciate it. I give the credits when the credits are due, and okay. This is Thunderous. I think that's what it is. I do not know the actual Korean title. I can't read it, but I'm pretty sure I'll get it once I listen to the song. I'm ready. Thunderous. Every time I hear a song with thunder, I think of EXO, or even ATs. Like, if it has thunder in it, I just know it's gonna be a bop. So ready, steady, go. Okay, animation. Ooh. Wait, I wasn't ready. I wasn't. Duh. Why does Changbin have to come in like that though? Like, did you not hear that? Their instrumentals are fucking bananas. Like, they go hard in the paint. I wasn't ready. I'm sorry. I can't be pausing. I can't be doing that. But I want to listen to it, okay? Ready, set, go. This video is about to be insane with the visuals. I already know it. I already know it. Come on, Changbin. The one that's shouting. Period. That's nice. Oh. Go off. There's a sweet face. Ooh. Oh, Sungmin's voice. Ooh. Chant. Put the titty away. Ooh, Felix serving up. Ian. Hey. Ooh. Ooh. This was a look. Hey. Do you hear this instrumental? Tell him. Hey, the choreography. Period. They is talking their best. Han. This little breakdown part before the chorus, the pre-chorus. Or is this? Ooh! Chan. Fuck it up. This is everything. Oh, feel it. He just adds some flavor in here, like, hey, hey. Back off. Oh. Are those drums? What are they? Snares? I don't know. They sound nice. Oh. Keep on talking. We don't play by the rules. Period. They do as they please. They know they are phenomenal. They know they are insane. They know they are talented AF, and they just kill it. They kill it every single time. Oh my God. Oh my God. It honestly mind blows the fuck out of me when they just do shit like this. Like, they just sit in the studio and they just be out here playing with fucking beats and instrumentals. And I wonder how long they even have this song, because they be having songs forever and they just want to release them. This was amazing. The flow was everything. It was hype, but it wasn't like, you know, God's Menu hype. It was smooth but hard at the same time. And I love that they just be talking, they smack. Like, I love that they are spitting the truth, because they can back it up. Like, they can fucking back it up, all right? They can talk their shit, because hello, it's in your face. Y'all, this was a bop. This was a bop. The vocals were sweet. The rapping, as always, amazing. I loved it. I honestly love it. Like, they are great. I love them. This album is gonna be good. I know it. I know it. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Sorry for my voice. I am feeling crazy right now. Okay. You guys, thank you so much for watching. And until my next video, I will catch you then. Bye.